That was wonderful to hear about all the seasons. Now it's time to groove on melodious songs and poem recitations. The spring, see, how do you think I know? I just saw a bluebird, that's how I know. Do the bluebird walk? Set your wings, do the bluebird walk? Flap your wings, do the bluebird walk? Do anything, just look it up, far sign of spring. The spring, see, how do you think I know? I just saw a bee, that's how I know. Do the bee walk? Set your wings, do the bee walks? Flap your wings, do the bee walks? Do anything, just look it up, far sign of spring. The spring, see, how do you think I know? I just saw a ladybug, that's how I know. Do the ladybug walk? Set your wings, do the ladybug walk? Flap your wings, do the ladybug walk? Do anything, just look it out, far sign of spring. The spring, see, how do you think I know? I just saw a frog, that's how I know. Do the frog jumps? Set your legs, do the frog jump? Up and down, do the frog jumps? Do anything, just look it up, far sign of spring. The spring, see, how do you think I know? Spring, see, how do you think I know? It's chilly and cold. Chills the body but not the soul. When it snows, bro, it's winter, bro. And it's cold like the river. Be careful, don't shiver. What a fun to go on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining. Birds are singing in the nest. It's raining, raining, raining. Frogs are jumping at the west. It's raining, raining, raining. Birds are singing in the nest. It's raining, raining, raining. Frogs are jumping at the west. It's raining, raining, raining. What fun to go on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining. Ducks are quacking to the beat. It's raining, raining, raining. Some are wading on the feet. It's raining, raining, raining. Ducks are quacking to the beat. It's raining, raining, raining. Some are wading on the feet. It's raining, raining, raining. What fun to go on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining. Everyone is out to play. It's raining, raining, raining. Everyone is out to play. It's raining, raining, raining. What fun to go on a rainy day, on a rainy day, on a rainy day. What fun to go on a rainy day. It's raining, raining, raining. It's raining, raining, raining. It's raining, raining, raining. It's raining, raining, raining. Thank you.
Winter, spring, summer, fall, which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot, spring is green, and fall is not. I can't decide. I love them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall.
Hello everyone, I am Ritika. I am going to sing a song about the seasons. What's your favorite
What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. I like autumn. I like autumn. The leaf change color. The leaf change color. I like winter. I like winter. I love the snow. I love the snow. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. What's your favorite? What's your favorite season? Season. I like all the seasons. Thank you. Bye.
Winter, spring, summer, fall. Which do you like best of all? Winter is cold, summer is hot. Springtime is green and fall is not. I can't decide, I like them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall.
Spring is here, say bye to snow.
Spring is here, see the flowers grow.
Time to snow your
Feed time for the honeybees. Where the birds sing a song. Spring is here, let us play along. Go. Summer is the hot day of all season. You can have ice cream with ice candies. Nights are short and days are long. Time for holidays, sing a travel song. The sun shines in the blue sky. Swimming in the water or the city pool. Keep sipping water as the throat is dry. Thank you.
Hooray, hooray, the rain has come. Bring out the hot corn, won't share some. Open your umbrellas and wear your raincoats. Let's play in the puddles and sail paper boats. Hooray, hooray, the winter has come. Bring out the hot soup, won't you have some? It's going to get foggy and very, very cold. Let's go to the shop where sweaters are sold. Hooray, hooray, the spring has come. Bring out the strawberry, won't you have some? The flowers are blooming, the leaves are growing, everything is bright, and the children are playing. Hooray, hooray, the summer has come. Bring out the cold drinks, won't you have some? Wear your sheets, it's very, very hot. Wear cotton clothes because you sweat a lot.
The flowers and the leaves are growing fast, growing fast, growing fast. The flowers and the leaves are growing fast, all spring long. The flowers and the trees are colorful and bright, colorful and bright, colorful and bright. The flowers and the trees are colorful and bright, all summer long. The flowers and the leaves are falling on the ground, falling on the ground, falling on the ground. The flowers and the leaves are falling on the ground all autumn long. The snow is covering the trees and the ground, trees and the ground, trees and the snow is covering the trees and the ground all winter long.
Chum chum chum, ekal chata dikde hum. Chum chum chum, ekal chata dikde hum. ऊपर नीचे chata, ऊपर नीचे chata, ऊपर हम
song about season. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here we go. Ah, seasons of the year. Here we go. Ah, seasons of the year. Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here comes the fall with the leaves changing colors. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here comes the fall. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here comes the ice. Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter and with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the night getting longer. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here we go. Oh, seasons of the year. Here. La la la. La 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 la. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivana Deva and I'm going to sing a poem that's named How's the Weather? How's the weather? How's weather? How's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Let's look out what the weather is. Is it sunny? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Let's look out. What's the weather today? Is it rainy? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? Let's look out. What's the weather? Is it cloudy? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? Let's look out our window. What's the weather today? Is it snowing? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today?
Hello everyone, my name is Jehan. In India, we had 5 seasons. Today I am going to say a poem on seasons. Spring is a time when children play, flowers bloom, and all is gay. Summer is hot, and to stay cool, everyone wants to get in the pool.
Monsoon clouds filled with rain. Filled with rain makes you feel cool again. Autumn is short. Autumn is short. Leaves begin to fall. Playing in the open is fun for all. Winter is cold. On sunny days, people enjoy the sun rays. Thank you. Bye bye.